Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can cancel your VASA gym fitness membership. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, if you want to cancel your membership you need to read their terms and condition. Okay, so the first thing, you need to provide at least 30 days notice period for cancellation. If you are not going to provide you 30 days notice period, then they will charge on your account for your next upcoming bill. Okay, so they need at least 30 days notice period. Okay, and if we talk about like the second thing, basically if you are going to cancel your membership within 6 months from basic, then you need to pay $25 cancellation fee. Okay, and if we talk about like if you have any membership like a business related membership, like business membership division, if you have taken any membership, then you need to contact with the customer support team by using email or by using chat support. Okay, so now if we talk about like how you can cancel your basic, you can like your normal VASA fitness membership. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to open your app or you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in into your account, you will see there is a section like about my account section. Okay, you need to tap on my account section, and then there are two options, cancel plan or cancel or pause my plan. So you need to choose cancel or pause my plan. Once you tap on this option, it will redirect to a new window, and you can see there are some terms and conditions. You need to read these terms and conditions and you need to follow the procedure, cancel your plan. Okay, and once you follow the procedure, they will ask you to find your membership, because in your membership maybe you have some charge, you need to pay some charge. So in that case you need to identify your membership, you need to provide your member ID or barcode which is available. You can enter the details and you can find out your membership, and once you enter your detail, at the very top side you will see your name and your ID, and then you need to tick on this option like gym membership, and then you can make a payment and you can cancel your membership. So by using these ways you can cancel your VASA fitness membership, and there is no other way. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.